What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Microsoft OneDrive password. So first off, you need to head over to Google or any browser and then the search bar, you need to search for Microsoft OneDrive. After that, you'll be redirected to this website of OneDrive, wherein if you are new to Microsoft OneDrive, click on create a free account. Or if you already have a Microsoft OneDrive account, click on sign in. After that, on the right side, you need to click on your profile. And after coming to your profile here on the right side, you will see the option to change password. Click on this. As you can see, the password window has been opened. So first, here you need to write your current password, and after that, you need to enter the new password that you want to create. And after that, re-enter the new password that you just written here. And if you want to change your password every 72 days, click on this checkbox, and then it will remind you to change your password every 72 days. And when you have successfully entered and re-entered your new password, click on save and your password will be changed. So this is how you can change your Microsoft OneDrive password. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.